Now let us look at solving some of the linear equations. The first one which is given to us is 2x minus 7 is equal to x plus 15. And we are asked to solve the following. Now what I mean by solve the following is we have to find out the value of this variable x for which the equation will hold true. Right? So we know that there is some number x, okay, there is some value of x which is going to satisfy this particular equation, meaning that if we substitute x in this particular equation, the value which we get on the left hand side would be equal to the value that we get on the right hand side. Right? So let us see how do we solve it. We know that 2x minus 7 is equal to x plus 15. Right? Now the first rule that is there is we try to bring all the variables on left hand side. So what happens is that you have this equality sign over here, so you try and bring all the numbers or all the variables on one side of the equation. We bring this to the left hand side, and normally that's the way you do it. So what you do is you put in 2x, this is already on the left hand side of the equation. Then you have minus 7. Now minus 7 does not contain any variable, this is a constant number. So what we do is we move this to the other side of the equation. Okay, and please note that whenever you do move this to the other side of the equation, the sign of this number will change. So this will become plus 7. Okay, so this becomes plus 7. You have x over here, so we take x to the other side of the equality. So the x will again change the sign and it will become minus x. It is plus x over here, so it becomes minus x plus 15. Plus 15 is going to remain over here only. Right? Now 2x minus 1x will be what? X, right, is equal to 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. Right? And this is your answer, which means that this is the solution for this equation. So let us verify if for value of x is equal to 22, is this equation true? So we write this as verify. So if x is equal to 2, the left hand side becomes 2 into 22, right, minus 7 is equal to x. X is what? 22 plus 15. Right? So 2 into 22 is going to give me 44 minus 7. 44 minus 7 I know is 37. Right? And 22 plus 15 is also equal to 37. Hence, the value of x, which is 22 in this particular equation, is the solution for this particular linear equation. Right? Now let us solve the second one. There is really not much of a difference, except that what we have here is that we have some fractions standing over here. Again, so how do you solve this? We try to bring all the numbers containing the variables. Which one are these? Let me mark them with a different color. 3y and y to one side of the equation. Right? And as I told you, the variables are to be brought to the left hand side. So we jot down 3y as it is. Then I have minus 1 by 3. Now minus 1 by 3 obviously is a constant number. So I move the constants to the right hand side. So this minus 1 by 3 comes to the right hand side. Since you are changing the side of the equation, you have to add here because it was minus here. This y you will basically move to the left hand side of the equation. Here the sign is plus. As I told you, as you move it to the other side of the equation, the sign becomes minus. Plus 1 upon 6. 3y minus y gives you 2y. Okay? Is equal to, now 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6, we take the LCM of these two, which is 6. 6 when divided by 3 gives you 2. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1. 6 goes into 6 one time. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 upon 6. Okay, or we say y is equal to 3 upon 6. We bring this to the denominator into 2. 3 goes into 6 2 times, so 1 upon 4 is the answer, right? And you can verify this equation for 1 upon 4. So basically, if you verify, let me do that for you. You will get 3 into y, which is 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. So this 3 into 1 upon 4 will be basically nothing but 3 upon 4. Let's take the LCM of 4 and 3. It is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9 minus 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. Okay, is equal to 6 and 4. Again the LCM is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3 into 1 is 3 plus 12 divided by 6 is 2 into 1 is 2. 5 upon 12. If you just notice, 9 minus 4 is 5 divided by 12. Hence, for the value of y, which is 1 upon 4, we have the left hand side equal to the right hand side. Hence, y is equal to 1 upon 4 is the solution for this particular equation, right? Just to re-summarize, how do we do it? We bring all the terms containing the variable to one side of the equation and the one which are constant to the other side of the equation, and then solve it, right?